You build your own ceilings while God's house lies in ruins. We wonder why our pockets have holes, forgetting that a life without the altar is a life without an anchor. Don't judge the future by the size of the foundation. The glory of this house will surpass the first, for the desire of all nations is coming to fill this place with peace. Justice is on the move. A flying scroll carries the truth into every home. You cannot hide from the word that purifies the land and exposes the shadows. It's not by your muscle, not by your money, and not by your might. The mountain becomes a plain when the Spirit moves. Grace alone finishes what grace began. Behold your King. He doesn't come on a war horse of pride, but on a donkey of humility. He is righteous, he is victorious, and he is coming for you. 30 pieces of silver, the price of a slave for the shepherd of the world. The coins hit the floor, but the plan of redemption cannot be bought or sold. He sits as a refiner of silver. The heat isn't meant to destroy you. It's meant to reveal his reflection in you. Let the fire burn away everything but the gold. Test him and see. Bring the full tithe and watch the windows of heaven swing wide. You cannot out. Give the one who owns the cattle on 1,000 hills. The night is nearly over. The Son of Righteousness is rising with healing in his wings. For those who fear his name, the dawn is not a threat, it's a homecoming. The scrolls are sealed, the prophets fall silent. 400 years of waiting begin, but the path is being leveled. The next voice you hear will be crying in the wilderness.